If you are watching this video right now, someone who is already enjoying this travel club is now sharing with you on how you can enjoy the same perks and benefits. Now do yourself a favor and watch this video until the very end. If you love to travel, and if you've ever wondered how you can travel more, if you would like to pay 2-star pricing for 5-star hotel and resort experiences, well, guess what? It's time for you to elevate your travel with Elevation Travel's Discount Travel Club. You have the opportunity to receive up to 70% off on your travel for over 1 million hotels and resorts. You can book luxury residences. Guys, we have over 300,000 of them for you to choose from, and over 15,000 cruise sailings. And not to mention, we have over 50 rental car companies, activities, attractions, and more. So let's say you went on our amazing travel club and you found an incredible deal to Nassau, Bahamas. Check this out, you guys. On our travel club, July 22nd through 25th, you see this amazing, beautiful King Ocean View Suite for $1,151.34 for 2 adults. Now, let's say you went on a publicized website and search for the exact same trip, same dates, same room category, and you see here on their website, it's $1,989.87. So with our travel club, you've just saved over $838. Well, let's say this wasn't the case and you actually went on a publicized website and you found that their price was actually cheaper than our travel club. Well, no worries, because we have a 110% price guarantee policy that makes it very simple for you to go on the website, offer the information that you found, share the website where you found the deal, and the company is going to offer you 110% of the difference, guaranteeing that you get the best price with our travel club. Now, I've been searching all over the internet and I have yet to run into a situation where I would even have to use the 110% price guarantee. You will have the opportunity to complete your entire trip with your discount travel club for your family. Book your flights on our website, choose your hotel and resort, and even include insurance. You'll be able to book your rental car or your transfers to and from the airport to your hotel, book your activities, and you can even do some shopping through our travel discount club. You will have the opportunity to earn reward credits that you will be able to apply to your next vacation or redeem them for cool things like our gift cards, restaurant certificates, or future travel activities. You will find yourself being able to travel more than you've ever dreamed thanks to our discount travel club. You can also turn this into a lucrative business income. Did you know that travel is the #1 research word on the internet? And when most people are researching online for travel, they're actually searching for the best travel deals. So with this opportunity, you will be able to offer this travel club to others where you will unlock passive and residual income, helping them identify how to get the best deals for their upcoming travel. You will have the ability to promote on social media, share with friends and family, or even use your own creativity with a travel blog. Now, I'm willing to bet you're like most travelers who are already taking flight selfies and posting them on social media along with pictures of your dinner at your resort, or even nice pictures of you sipping on your favorite drink in your bikini poolside at your resort, doing this for free. Now you can turn your experiences into marketing for your business. That would then result in your travel being 100% tax deductible because you're not just traveling, it's your business. Hey everyone, meet Tammy. She and her husband decided to travel to Daytona Beach, Florida to celebrate their son's 12th birthday. Well, they used our travel club and they were able to save over $1,000 at the Hilton Daytona Beach Oceanfront Resort and paid a total of $484.40 for their 4-night stay. They also earned 548 reward credits for their vacation. We talk a lot about vacations, but imagine having to travel for a family emergency, as Ronnie and Chris needed to do. They used our travel club website and they were able to save $211.28 on their Avis rental car, where they also received 283 reward credits. Plus, they also saved $249.53 on their 4-star Kempton Overland Hotel, where they also earned 408 reward credits. Now that's a total of $460.81 saved and 691 reward credits earned. The way we see it, if you're going to travel anyway, this is a business that just makes sense. Save money on travel for your entire family. Start it as a business and tap into deducting your travel expenses from your taxes, and share this opportunity with others and unlock an opportunity to earn more income. Get back with the person who invited you and ask them to send you their link so you can get started. We have 3 amazing options for you. The first option, which is our recommended option, is the Elite Business Membership, which includes our discount travel club, our 5 wealth building strategies, which includes our DIY credit repair system, investment education, debt eliminator calculator, and much more. It's a low-cost startup plus monthly fees, and remember, this is a business for you at this level, so it's all tax deductible. Our second option is our standalone travel club membership. Now that gives you the option to join by paying a low-cost annual fee or a low cost to start up and monthly fees. This is not a business. However, you do have access to all of the discounts that we share with you on today. The third option is our free Boomerang link. Get back to the person who invited you and say, hey, I just want to try this out for free. This gives you access to half of our savings on hotels and resorts only. You deserve to elevate your travel with Elevation Travel. There's no special training, no certifications, no equipment, and you don't even need a lot of time. So get started and get instant access to your discounts today.
Simply get back with the person that shared this video with you and get started today.